Hello and welcome back to your favorite lifestyle channel. And today we're going to do another video for layering perfumes. Okay, so sorry about that. So ang perfumes na ating layer today is something na nakita ko sa ChatGPT as a recommendation for the perfume that I just reviewed or did the first impressions video with a while ago. Ito yung ating Profondo, okay? And tinignan natin sa ChatGPT and ang sabi niya kanina, this other perfume na i-layer natin with this perfume is a good combination. So, malalaman natin mamaya kung ano yung kakalabasan niya pag pinag-combine natin yung dalawang perfume niya. So, again, discuss natin to before. Ano nga ba yung reason bakit tayo nagko-combine ng dalawang perfume or nagle-layer ng perfume? It's for us to create a unique scent because sometimes nagsasawa na tayo sa perfume natin and naghanap tayo ng ibang perfume. So, to make it better or to have a different take on the perfumes that you currently have, pwede natin pagsabayin or pagsamahin yung dalawang perfume. Okay. So, ano nga ba yung perfume na ating i-combine dito sa ating Acqua di Gio Profondo ng HSI, and it's no other than Creed Aventus ng Hamarias. Okay, so this is another perfume na i-review natin. I've been using it quite a lot in the last couple of weeks, so good performer. But it's going to be on another video in terms of the detailed review of this perfume. Okay, so sabi sa ChatGPT, pag pinag-combine mo si Acqua di Gio Profondo, okay, ng HSI, or not really, but the scent profile or the DNA of Acqua di Gio Profondo, and pinagsama mo siya sa Creed Aventus na DNA, you will produce petite, fruity, smoky notes from Aventus that can complement Profondo's aquatic base and richness. So, subukan nga natin and malaman natin kung ano yung kanyang combination. Okay, so nag-spray na tayo kanina ng isa, so mag-spray tayo ulit na isa pa. Okay. So that's good. Amoy natin ulit. Meron siyang again aquatic notes, namoy mo yung dagat, fresh, citrusy. And then of course, itong ating Aventus na merong pagka-pineapple na scent and medyo moss or incense na amoy. So let's put them together and let's see kung ano yung kakalabasan niya. Dito mama. Dalawa. Isa pa. Alright. Okay. So ayan. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. And amoy natin siya. Oh. Wow. Wow, ang galing. Ang galing. This is very different take of the two perfumes. Parang, alam mo yun, parang sumabog siya. Meron siyang several layers ng scent profiles. Since familiar na nga tayo dun sa amoy ng both na perfumes na to. Ang nakakatuwa kasi nga, meron siyang pagka citrusy and then yung pagka amoy dagat na combination. So, ang ganda ng kanyang combination. This is something that I would definitely recommend that you try if you have these scent DNAs sa collection nyo. Subukan nyo. Hindi kayo magsisisi. And this is a very unique take for perfume. And ang sarap niyang amoyin. It's very fresh. And again, yung lime and yung pineapple, pag pinagsama mo, sobrang wow, ang galing ng combo. So, ang ganda na suggestion ni ChatGPT. If you'd like to also try this out, I suggest that you do so. Pagka meron kayong mga lined up ng perfumes, just ask it, what would be a good layering combo for this particular perfume. And then it will tell you, give you good suggestions on perfumes that you can combine together. Alright? So, yun nga, maganda yung combination na to and highly, highly suggested. for you guys. I think this is a good daily wear. You can wear it in the office, in the school, in the gym. All right. Date nights, yes, perhaps, yeah. Pwede sa date nights. Formal events, not so. But for those events na lalabas ka lang and you have a daily errand, it's very, very mass appealing. I'm pretty sure of that. So there you go. We'll have another review of the perfumes na pagkasamahin natin, and I'll let you know on our succeeding videos. We'll make more of these kinds of layering combinations so that you will be informed of good combinations that you can try with your perfumes. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, suggestions of videos or perfumes that we can combine together, leave a comment below and I'll make sure to go ahead and try those suggestions. Thank you so much for watching and see you again soon. Bye!